fishing.
You think we're gonna get skunked today?
No.
Oh man, somebody help this man. I was gonna wear my hoodie, but I don't know now.
Yeah, it's kind of hot now.
I haven't walleye fished for like, what, 3 years? When's the last time we went? 2 weeks?
That was quite bad.
Yeah, we're going walleye fishing.
3 years?
And last time I caught the bigger one.
You didn't catch one last time. Lost it.
Walleye fishing is the same as white bass. Here's my setup. 2 jigs. Yeah, my dad sent me fucking a picture of his 2 big ass walleyes yesterday. So we had to give it a try.
Oh fuck.
So let's just look, right?
I think it's a cop.
I'll get my net ready.
No, I think that's too small.
Nah, it's fit.
That's a big walleye.
I hope so.
Here's the net.
Big.
In the back of me.
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
Oh, I don't know. That's a walleye.
Something big, baby.
Walleye, man.
Oh, I could jet.
I knew it was a cop. Son of a bitch. Damn, let's tell.
By the
Son.
Wow.
Congrats on your walleye. Well, goodbye, dude. good walleye.
Yeah, I knew it's not quite right.
You know what just happened? This bad boy out. Sorry, couldn't get on film. We're too excited. Better not be a carp this time. Hey! Show them.
No.
Show them your prize.
Got it?
You sure?
Got it.
Oh, dang.
Yo.
What the heck, dude? What are you catching? Bro, show them what you got.
I took it off. I thought, dude.
Just let the viewer see it.
Alright.
Yeah, probably another rock.
Yeah, that's soggy, dude.
Come on, dude. What are you doing with your life? Oh, hell yeah.
Hey, that's my net. Yeah,
That is his net.
Let's show everyone what you caught this to do it. Oh, dude, that's a big ass one, dude. Fuck you, dude, man. You don't even put that up.
Okay,
Oh, come on, dude.
I don't think this is a white bass right here, Kevin.
Yeah, no. I have the net right here. Hold up. Slowly.
Oh yeah.
Slow. Oh, you got a June sucker.
Oh, I caught a June sucker for real? God damn it.
Come on, man.
Are you sure? Oh!
June sucker. Dude, you fucking suck today.
Oh!
Dude, I thought it was a walleye for real.
I know, me too. Shit, come on.
Huh?
Oh! I don't even want to grab him, dude.
Come on, man. This fool thought he caught a walleye.
In Utah, you have to release these.
Goodbye.
I really thought I had a walleye.